Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. When it comes you are choosing plant for your garden, the option can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we got you covered. Here are some popular and easy to growing plants that are perfect for any garden. Flowers are great way to add color beauty to your garden. Here are some popular types of flowers that are easy to grow. Roses, this classic flower come in a variety of color, are perfect for adding the touch of elegance to your garden. And tulips, these cup-shaped flowers are a popular choice for spring garden and come in range of color. These cheerful flowers are easy grow and come in variety of colors including white, pink and yellow. Sunflower, this tall bright yellow and flowers are perfect adding the dramatic touch of your garden. Vegetables are a great way to add the refresh product your diet.